Here are 7 no-equipment exercises you can do to transform your body in just 4 weeks. These exercises target multiple muscle groups and can be done anywhere, making them ideal for building strength, burning fat, and increasing endurance. Aim to comple. Targets: chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. How to do it? Begin in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body toward the floor by bending your elbows, keeping your body in a straight line from head to. Targets: glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core. How to do it? Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to stand back up. Tip: keep wide. Targets: core, shoulders, and back. How to do it? Get into a forearm plank position with your body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight and hold the position without letting your hips sag. Tip: start with 20 to 30 seconds and work. Targets: glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves. How to do it? Stand tall and step 1 foot forward, lowering your body until both knees are at a 90-degree angle. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position, then repeat on the other.